In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert customary units of liquid volume or capacity. In the first example, we're going to convert 5 gallons to pints. First, we need to look at our two units of measurement. Gallons are bigger than pints, so we're going to drag the word bigger underneath 5 gallons, and then we're going to drag the word smaller underneath the pints. Anytime you convert a bigger unit to a smaller unit, you're going to multiply. Next, we need to figure out what we're going to multiply our 5 gallons by. So we're going to look at our conversion chart, and 1 gallon is equal to 8 pints. So we're going to multiply 5 gallons by 8. When we do this, 5 times 8 is 40. So 5 gallons is equal to 40 pints. In the second example, we're going to convert 72 cups to quarts. Cups are smaller than quarts, so we're going to drag the word smaller under the 72 cups and the word bigger under quarts. Anytime you're converting a smaller unit to a bigger unit, you're going to divide. Next, we need to figure out what we're going to divide 72 cups by. So we're going to look at our conversion chart. We're going to find where cups and quarts have the conversion rate, and 1 quart is equal to 4 cups. So we're going to divide by 4. 72 divided by 4 is 18. So 72 cups is equal to 18 quarts.